Hi, just wanted to share with you this short tutorial on how I changed the battery on my quartz watch. Last week I noticed it stopped working, so I took out the battery to see what kind I should order. Today, I have the new battery ready. For this process, I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver. First, look for the lip on the case back. Here, it's at the side behind 9 o'clock. I'm using the screwdriver to pop it open. I gotta say, I did not expect this quartz movement from Credor to be this pretty. I pop in the battery with my finger, careful not to touch the coil on the left side. Then after that, I snap the case back in place, and that's it. Thanks for watching and bye for now.